Okay, so I recently installed the Bakflip VP on a 2016 Ram 1500 without the Ram box. Had a little bit of trouble. Let's open it up here. Once I got it installed, which went pretty simple, I had a problem with the latches here. When you would pull the cable, it wouldn't pull this in far enough. So I had a hard time getting it open. I don't know if we can get in here and get a shot of it, but you can see as it pulls in there. And to begin with, when I would pull, it would only pull about this far. So then it would hang. And I had two different sections do that. So if you end up having this problem, the way to fix this is, let's see if we can get a good shot here, is remove the screws here and right out here, this guy right here, and you can take this plastic section and just slide it toward the middle a little bit, and it'll give you a little bit more leverage on the cable here, and it has worked beautifully ever since. So now, very easy pull, you don't have to pull it very hard, pops right up. We can flip it, next section, flip it, and then the last section, and flip it up. Just like that. And flip it back down. Alright, so if you have the same problem, this is a quick fix.